there's enough blood.
Yeah.
You're sure? Anyway, I can't wait for everyone to get here. Come on, it's gonna be fun. Everyone's gonna be in costume. It's gonna be so great.
Yeah, how many people did you say are coming again?
I don't know, like 20, maybe more, probably more.
Oh my God, Em, you know how I feel about this.
Don't be a pick-me. Everyone likes a party. What's up? It's open, just come up.
Mommy's home. And so is Daddy.
Did you get what I asked?
Yes, ma'am. What is it?
Don't worry about it.
What's up with you?
You think Shane's gonna dump her? I don't think so, I know so.
Jean, babe, you okay?
Of course she is. He's just a boy. Is Tim bringing the ping pong balls, by the
For
way?
the third time, yes.
I'm not joking, Liv. I can feel it.
Well, what makes you say that?
Well,
Oh, good riddance. I never really liked that guy.
that's what I said. No, it's not. You said everything was going to be okay if it was meant to be. What time is Philippa coming over then?
Well, 8 if you must know, but who cares? Nobody cares. I'm gonna be chill. So chill and
Liv.
breathe. What do we care about them anyway? We're here for Nora tonight and her only.
Pretty.
No, don't stop the fucking singing, please.
Oh, thank you.
That should help.
Thank you.
You're missing one.
It's fine. To you, Angel.
That is enough.
To growing and healing and breaking generational curses and becoming great women.
We get it, Barbie shrinking again.
Happy birthday, babe.
Oh, happy birthday!
Okay, let's go 1 hour before people start getting here, and I need to finish the cake. Happy birthday to you. Let's get wasted. Oh,
Come on,
yeah. I got it. Drink. What are you doing? It's supposed to help with the booze.
I think you're supposed to take that before the drink.
Oh, I think you might be right. How bad? What are you looking for?
Sage, I really need a pen for this space.
It's on the piano. God, this thing is itchy.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
How much did you guys drink?
Not much. Did you talk to Philippa?
If by talking, you mean stick with her tongue
down
her
her
throat.
throat.
It took you long enough.
Oh, good for you, Liv.
At least one of us is getting some.
Yeah, I used to get some.
We're busy!
This is the best part ever. You should enjoy it, you know. Some people ask me like this.
What? I got
The internship in Spain. That internship. Oh, why didn't you say anything?
I just heard this morning. I didn't want to make it happen.
That's amazing.
Tim, will you get a fucking life?
The neighbours are pissed to go to music. Do you want to call the cops? Can you just-
Oh, hey. There you are. Cake thief.
That's me.
You okay, babe?
Yeah. Why wouldn't I be? It's my birthday.
Yeah, not 23 every day.
Yes, everyone keeps saying.
What's up? Aren't you having fun?
Nothing.
Come on, talk to me. Please don't be pregnant. You killed someone. Oh my god, you killed someone and you didn't call me. What's wrong?
I just wish I was 8 again, you know? Before I was worried about what I was supposed to do with my life. About what my art and career was supposed to look like, who I'm supposed to date, where and when I'm supposed to go out so I don't miss out on opportunities to meet the right people, and on and on and on. I guess I'm just scared to miss out and get stuck and fail.
At life.
Yes.
Babe, you can't be scared of fucking up when you haven't done anything worth fucking up yet. What else?
Look, I know you put a lot of effort into tonight, and it's really lovely, but I kind of wish it was just the 4 of us sat around talking shit for the 500th time and going to a party like this one.
Why?
The expectations, I guess? Having to look hot, but not like we tried too hard. Get drunk, so you're not boring and uptight. Get flirted with, so you actually have something interesting to talk about the next day. Oh, the boys. Oh, the boys. They don't know anything and they think they're so funny. To tell you the truth, I don't think any guy I've met in the last 3 years has made me laugh as hard as you guys. And yet all we want is for them to look at us. It doesn't make any sense. I'm not making any sense. I just want to be a kid again, and yet I hate acting like a teenager.
Oh, darling.
I don't know what's wrong with me. Nothing's actually wrong, and yet I'm still not okay. You're fucking off to Spain.
Oh, hi. Oh, I didn't mean to interrupt.
No,
Fine.
you're good. What's up?
We're looking for the Just Dance DVDs.
In the cabinet.
Next to the bookcase.
Okay, great, thanks. Great part of it.
Really? You like it?
Yeah, you've really done that. Yeah, I'll leave you guys to it then.
See you.
See you in a bit.
What was that?
Nothing. Stupid boys.
Oh, fucking finally! I've been looking everywhere for you guys. Guess who just got fingers in the closet? This girl. Oh yeah. Also, thank you for leaving me with Nate, by the way.
Moustache, Nate.
Growing's only for fucking rock, Nate.
Not cool,
What? I was looking for you. You disappeared for half an hour.
Is everything alright?
Yeah. We're just having a bit of an identity crisis.
Oh, surprising. Sorry. So we're thinking too much then.
Be nice. A lot of big feelings in this little body.
I'm fine.
Of course you are.
Well, do you want your birthday present?
You already got me something. It's only small.
I'll take it.
For you.
Oh, what's that?
Your favourite, yeah.
Oh, you guys, you have to.
Shit, what did I miss?